OnePlus 10 Pro concept renders shows a top-notch model with a mammoth display and an impressive camera module. The Chinese consumer electronics company launched the OnePlus 9 series of phones in March this year. The brand's huge fan base was waiting with bated breath for the arrival of the OnePlus 9T lineup, considering that the company refreshes its flagship phones lineup after 6 months. Much to the chagrin of those restlessly waiting to get their hands on the OnePlus 9T, the company didn't announce a OnePlus 9 successor. OnePlus rubbed salt into the wound by confirming that the OnePlus 9T series will not even see the light of day. In other words, its next flagship will be announced sometime in 2022 and will probably be called OnePlus 10. Hi, this is Subir. Welcome to my channel. Interestingly, the next-gen flagships haven't been subject to a lot of leaks or even speculations. However, OnePlus 10 Pro concept renders that shows the phone in the way he thinks it could look. OnePlus 10 Pro concept design shows in the aforesaid renders has a screen that is curved on both sides. This is similar to the OnePlus 9 Pro display. Interestingly, the screen does not feature a notch or a punch hole to house a selfie camera. This implies that the camera sensor may be embedded into the display. Alternatively, the company could place a punch hole design at the top center portion of the OnePlus 10 Pro. There's a big circular hump featuring a dual camera setup at the back. Aside from that, the rear side houses an LED flash and a xenon flash. In the last few years, smartphone makers have refrained from using xenon flash, so there is a slim chance that the OnePlus 10 Pro will come with a xenon flash. The Hasselblad branding is showcased under the camera hump. This suggests that OnePlus collaborated with Hasselblad for its camera sensors or camera software for the OnePlus 10 Pro, just like it did for the OnePlus 9 and its Pro variant. The concept render showcases the back panel with black tinted fox leather. OnePlus has a reputation for using unconventional materials and colorways for the back panel of its phone. So it should be barely surprising if the brand uses leatherette for the OnePlus 10 series of phones. Moreover, the concept render suggests that the 3.5mm audio jack will be placed at the top. The bottom will house microphone grills, a speaker and a USB Type-C port. The right side of the phone has a power button with a camera shutter button and an alert slider. The volume rocker is on the left hand side of the OnePlus 10 Pro. The phone seems to sport a 6.7-inch display and could back a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor with 12GB of RAM. It could draw its juices from a 5000 mAh of battery. Furthermore, the 12GB RAM plus 256GB of ROM model could retail for Indian National Rupee 68,999, that is about $930. The phone could go official on October 22nd this year. So guys, how you like this video? Please give me a comments, likes and shares, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir, sign off.